Hello, this is a video just to show the usage of a breathalyser, the AlcoSense XL. We were asked to use this recently and it gives very good results, and this is basically what you get in the package. There's the unit itself, which is very straightforward to use, easy instructions, clear menu system, and all you need to do to start to test yourself is to open the unit, which reveals the blow tube hole, which is illuminated for night use. The package contains 5 of these blow tubes. These are inserted into that illuminated blow tube holder in the unit, and then you blow until you hear the beep. The instructions are very clear as you use the unit, just follow screen by screen, and when it says that the blow tube is in place, you can blow until you hear the beep. Simple as that. Great for the morning after some socialising or just a beer at the end of a driving day, just to give you the peace of mind to know that you're actually okay to drive. Our verdict is that we think it's a great piece of kit to have available in your glove box to check the morning after, maybe, or after you've had just one drink, just to know whether you're okay to drive or whether you have that niggling little doubt in the back of your mind. This gives you confirmation that you're either okay or you're not, which has to be a good thing. So that's our review. Thanks for watching, and cheers for now. Cheers.